So I was just hanging out with these sheep behind me here. I don't know if you can see them in the background. We're having a nice time, they're eating, I'm taking some photos, we're both enjoying ourselves, and then a car goes past. The dude driving looks at me taking photos, looks at the sheep, realises I'm taking photos of the sheep, and then starts beeping his horn. Wido. I know the chances of him ever seeing this video are microscopic, but just in case, I want you, sir, to know that you're a end. And I hope you stand on a piece of Lego barefoot. Nice one. Good morning, my name's Rob, welcome back to Rad Stuff Photo Video. So today is the first morning of 2021 and what a morning it is. Whew. We finally have snow and that makes me very happy. So today it seems like a good time to tell you about my new photography project, my year-long, all the way through 2021 project that I'm starting right now. Do you know when you've made something or you've been involved in something and you can like physically hold the end product in your hand? Like, I'm a big fan of that. Like, for example, when my band first went to the studio, we made our first record and I could physically hold a CD containing our first EP, and it was like, it made it feel real. Or like when we were interviewed for a magazine and we could walk into a shop and we could pick up a magazine and we could buy it and we could physically hold it, we could like show it to people. It almost like, it sounds bad, but it almost, so it's proof of what you've done. And I've been thinking about that with photography a lot lately, and how like I don't print my photos or anything like that. Like, I kind of take a photo and it'll kind of like have the lifespan of like a common housefly. Like, it'll live and die on my hard drive in like 4 days. And I've been thinking about it and I was like, what could I do to make a physical version of what I've created? And it got me thinking about a few different ideas, and I think I finally decided what I want to do. Alright, so here's the plan. Throughout 2021, I am going to create my first photo book. So a year from now, I will be able to physically hold in my hand a book full of my photographs that I've created. So the idea is all my favourite photos throughout the year will go in this book, and yeah, a year from now, book of my photos. There's two reasons I'm doing it. Reason number one, as I mentioned earlier, I like to physically hold what I've created. Reason number two is that it will push me to create better things. I don't want rubbish photos going in this book. It'll push me to go to better locations, it'll push me to develop my skills and just learn to be a better photographer, because I want the best photos possible in this book. So I'm stoked on it. A book full of my photographs and the stories of how those photographs were made. I got my car stuck. So I left my car here earlier and it got stuck in the ice and it wouldn't move, the wheels were just spinning. I did that thing that you see in like movies where people start just sort of jolting themselves back and forth in the driver's seat trying to shift their weight. I was like, this is never going to work, but it worked. And I think that's probably a sign to go home, really, isn't it? Yeah, I've got like a 1 litre city car, to put it gently. That's the nicest way to describe it. It ain't made for snow. Whoa.